Brad Williams, Excel Prime, using the match function, find the row with the first error. We have match. What's match do? Match is just going to find a row. What are the requirements? Well, match says we have a lookup value. And we have a lookup array. We have a match type. Here we have our lookup value, true. Saying, all right, go over here, lookup array is error 512. What does that mean? Well, look up here in this list. If there's an error, that's going to be true. Everything else is going to be false. Hence, why do we have an NA error? Because we can't find the NA. So hit F9. You can see now there's an actual error there. I guess I could have put if error around the match to find the first error, but I don't know if that would work. You can see here, is error is probably not what we want. It didn't pick up. We need a little more flexibility here, F9. We don't want an NA there. We should just say, hit F9 or something like that. But you get the point. I'm just trying to get this idea across that if a name error shows up, you're going to see row 1. If we have multiple, it's going to pick up the first error. If we change this up and we add a lookup value of 2, we divide 1 by is error, we're going to get the last. And the next tutorial or the one after that, well, we have an example that shows this. Okay, and then we have this right here. Is error B9? Is error B9 true? No, false. Is error B9? B9 corn. And is error B10? Yeah. Show you what is and what is not an error. How does this work? Go here and go B12. And it's just going to say true or false. Onion, name. Lettuce, name, spinach. You can see right there, is error is going to say, well, I think we have a couple errors there. It's going to give us the false, true, false, false. A match is just going to find the first error. Now, what I want you to do is go ahead and I want you to throw this into a nested if error and see what happens. And then I want you to go in and put if error in here and see if error picks up the name. And then go ahead and change. You see, I put in car divided by 5, so we'll throw an error. You can go in and put a hard-coded number in here, see if it throw an error. Just play around with this. Experiment over here on your right is pretty much what I just stated. And then lastly, the anatomy. If you're having trouble following my guidance here, and you're stuck and you're all, I don't get this, tear it apart. Literally, these are sections. You can put an equal sign here in match. Just the match part. Just go equals is error and go B5 to B12. Then go is or if error or is NA or any of the other error functions. And practice. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks. Hang in there, all right? More to come.